Hello everybody! Have you ever noticed how we often find ourselves using the same adjectives over and over again? Well, it's time to break free from this habit and breathe new life into our expressions. In today's video, our objective is to explore 7 alternative ways to say beautiful. These advanced English words are perfect for describing the beauty that surrounds us. Whether you'd like to describe the beauty of a place or even that of a person, this video is for you. Welcome back to Vocabulary Voyage with Benjamin. Counting down, here are my top 7 favorite synonyms for beautiful. Now, let's get started. In 7th place, we have mesmerizing. I really love how this word sounds. Mesmerizing means capturing one's complete attention, as if by magic. This word is great for describing a performance, a piece of art, or even a person that leaves you spellbound. An example, we first met outside a Viennese café. Her smile and presence were unquestionably mesmerizing. Next up, we have ɪnṭrɛnsɪŋ. Similar to mesmerizing, ɪnṭrɛnsɪŋ means delighting someone so much that they cannot divert their attention. An example, the majestic peaks and landscapes of Romania's mountains weave an entrancing charm that captures the imagination of every traveler. My next favorite synonym for beautiful is radiant. Radiant means shining brightly, emitting light, or glowing warmth, often used to describe someone's appearance or personality. An example, the teacher's radiant smile lit up the room and made everyone feel welcome. Alluring means powerfully and mysteriously attractive or fascinating, often used to describe people, places, or things that have a captivating charm. An example, the alluring skyline of Quito in Ecuador, set against the backdrop of the majestic Andean mountains, creates a breathtaking and unforgettable view for travelers. In 3rd place, we have resplendent. Resplendent means attractive and impressive through being richly colorful or sumptuous, perfect for describing vibrant scenes or objects. An example, the hummingbird, with its iridescent feathers shimmering in the sunlight, appeared truly resplendent as it gracefully flitted from flower to flower. In 2nd place, we have enchanting. I love this term. Enchanting means charming or captivating, often used to describe people, places, or situations that have a magical quality. An example, as I took my first steps into the Amazon rainforest in December, the verdant, lush foliage and the symphony of exotic birdsong created a truly enchanting atmosphere. And finally, in 1st place, we have pulchritudinous. This word is most certainly quite a mouthful, yet it is my favorite. It means physically beautiful, and despite its somewhat odd sound, it's an excellent way to describe someone's exceptional beauty. An example, as she entered the room, her pulchritudinous features captured everyone's attention, creating a sense of awe and admiration. And there you have it. You've just added 7 fascinating adjectives to your linguistic arsenal. If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe to my channel for more weekly word adventures. Until next time, happy learning and stay pulchritudinous.